Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about regression case. So let's see what is it. So what is regression case here? How to find it? So for that we have to use duration plus average pulse to predict the calories burnage. Okay. To create a linear regression table with the average pulse and duration as an explanatory variable, we have to perform some application. So this is the application I have mentioned here. We need to work on it. Okay. After that, I have also provided the output here. So you will be able to understand how to do this. Fine. So first one, I have created the Python way how to work on it. So in that case, first I have imported the library states model and then use the full health data set. After that, create a model based as an ordinary list square, that is OLS, and then parentheses will be required and the details will be written in this. Okay. By calling .fit, you obtain the variable result, and finally call summary of to get the table with the result of the inner regression. So finally we will get the output here. So that is how you can create it. I hope you understood this much. You just pause this video and just write this Python code that I have mentioned here, and you will be able to work on it. Okay. So another thing we are right now having is the linear regression function can be rewritten as a mathematical form. The Python form I had told you. Now I am going to tell you how to write in a mathematical form. So this is the format I have mentioned. Calories burn age equal to average underscore plus pulse into 3.1695 plus duration into 5.8424 minus 334.1594. So these are the decimal numbers you can provide while for writing the function function for the in a mathematical form. Okay. The another thing we are having is to write the round to 2 decimal. So it will be written in a 2 decimal only. The rest of the thing will be not written. So as you can see at the last, 33141594 was mentioned. Now we can write as 334.52. Round off method will be mentioned over there. Okay. The another thing is defined here is define the linear regression function in Python. How to define that? So here on screen you can see that the question was available. Now we will see how to find the average pulse of the following pulse rate if the given. So average pulse is 110 and duration of the training session is 60 minutes. Then how to find the burn age? So how can we find that? I have given all the details here. That is how you can write it. Okay. The answers are already also provided. How to write it? The first one's answer is 365 calories. You can also count it with the help of this. You can pause this video and read this video and read this code, and then you can also work on it. Okay. So these are very easy form to do it. Once you'll just these are the syntax. If you understand this now, you can work on other numbers also. You can provide other numbers and work on it. Okay. The another thing we are having is access the coefficient. So in that calorie burnage increased with 3.14 if the average pulse increased by 1. If the average pulse is increased by 1, then 3.17 calorie burn will be there. Okay. And if the duration increases 5.84, so it will be also duration increases by 1, then calorie burn will be 5.184. So that is how we can create it. The another one we are having is access the p-value. How to access the p-value? P-value is 0.00 for average pulse, duration and the intercept. It is always 0.000 or as a average pulse, duration and the intercept. Okay. So p-value is statically significant for all the variables as it is less than 0.05. It is always less than 0.05 for the rest of the thing. Okay. So next thing we are having is adjust R square. How to adjust that? So there is a problem with the R square if we have more than one explanatory variable. R squares will almost always increase if we add more variables and will never decrease. Okay. So this is because we are adding more data points around the linear regression. So it is increasing and then it will not be able to decrease that. Okay. If we add random variables that does not affect calorie burnage, we risk to falsely conclude that the linear regression function is a good fit. Okay, so I hope you understood this much of things. The last thing, few things, the important topics, points are the adjusted R square is 0.814. This is the standard variable that is mentioned. The value of R square is always in between 0 to 1. That means 0% to the 100%. So these are the different details that are available. You can work on it. Okay. I hope you understood this much. So congratulations, you have now finished the final module of the data science library. So thank you so much.